Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech insights. Lendify Express Loan Review, a comprehensive look at usage and experience. This video provides an in-depth review of Lendify Express Loans. For your convenience, you can find direct links to the product in the description below. Throughout this review, we'll dissect the core features of Lendify loans, explore who might benefit most from their services, and share first-hand insights from my personal experience using the platform. This information should empower you to make a well-informed borrowing decision. Lendify is a prominent online lender offering personal loans specifically designed for borrowers seeking a quick, streamlined, and transparent borrowing process. With loan amounts ranging from $1,000 to $50,000 and flexible repayment terms spanning 1 to 5 years, Lendify accommodates a wide range of financial needs. Whether you're consolidating debt, handling unexpected expenses, or financing a major purchase, Lendify aims to provide a suitable solution. A key differentiator for Lendify is its competitive fixed interest rates, which are tailored based on your individual credit profile. Borrowers with strong credit scores can often secure some of the most attractive interest rates available in the current market. Furthermore, the application process is entirely online and remarkably straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes to complete. Once your loan is approved, funds are usually disbursed within 24 hours, making Lendify an excellent choice for those requiring rapid access to funds. Transparency is another hallmark of Lendify. There are no hidden fees, prepayment penalties, or origination fees to worry about. This means you have the flexibility to repay your loan early without incurring additional costs. The platform provides a clear and concise breakdown of the loan terms during the application process, ensuring you have a complete understanding of your obligations before committing to the loan. Lendify is particularly well-suited for individuals with a good credit history who are in search of a dependable and affordable loan option. However, even borrowers with average credit may qualify, although their interest rates might be somewhat higher. Lendify also offers valuable financial tools and resources to help you effectively manage your loan and enhance your overall financial well-being. In summary, Lendify delivers a simple, transparent, and competitive loan solution tailored to a diverse range of financial requirements. Its fast application process, reasonable interest rates, and absence of hidden fees make it a leading contender in the personal loan market. If you're considering a loan with Lendify, be sure to check the links in the description for more details and to start your application. Thanks for watching. We hope this review addressed all of your questions.